What's up guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today we are here at Minglanilla, Cebu, and we are going to have an outing. It's going to be first of this year since... So, kung saan nag-last na outing to? Dugo na ka to?
Last year.
Last year, so among last nga outing kay last year. 2016. Grabe, dugo na kayo minang outing niya, karoon may kabalik. So I'm with my college buddies. Yeah, we call ourselves Doy. Nami istorya ng Doy. Tungkol siya sa usa ka tao. Because one person nga, muna siya among head sa una. Si Doy. Anyway, so we're here at Villamara at St. Joseph Village at Minglanilla. So I'm actually surprised nga exclusive na mo ang lugar. Just cost for 5,000 for 10 people. Mag-add lang ta og certain amount for the excess. So it's a big place. It's peaceful and there's a pool out there, and then there's a swing, and then there's a karaoke machine. That's the most important thing. Sa mga diri na atay murag porch ate porch diri, and then I'm just vlogging here while they are preparing. Actually we are a lot, like 13, and then since gamotor man mi mao mi nakauna mi karon sa resort, so this is not a paid ad. Okay. Hello. Dako sa CRA.
Ako na visiting room.
We auto order. Dito ka limpang doon.
Alaman dito stickers.
Instant room tour. Oh, napay nasa TV lagi diri.
Oo, tuwa na niya.
Atawa ni diri. Nice. Sure, yung 5,000 na nito ka na?
Kaning hole?
Ha? Whole? 5,000?
For 10 person.
For 10 person.
Nice no?
Nadapo pa dyan.
Kita ba?
Exclusive.
Yeah, 250 ang extra.
Abi no ko mag-English ta.
Lagi. Si Kapi mag-English. It's so hard to English, my God. No English. Naapoy ko andari. Sana yung mga birds. Bird set free. Yeah. Maratong mo. Huh? Oh. Welcome sa among palasyo. Wala ra mga saag. Sir, registration tao na, sir, ma'am.
What's up dito?
Registration area ta. Red horse to 35, bro.
Oh, really?
May pagduro na.
Yeah, I'm speaking English, you know.
So, register na.
So there's our villa.
What?
Room 502 is for boys, room 551 is for girls. Oh, 5 pera for 10 persons.
Oh,
Hindi ang solid to kuya.
Oh, I can't believe it's 5,000. Sure, yun 5,000 na yun. Promo rin eh.
Buwak kayo naman sa pagod mo yung samdya.
Hindi. Basig ay...
Say hi for the vlog.
Say hi for the vlog. Kunya, mag-vlog ko. Kunya, managanda rin tao din niya. Ako rin pasanginlan.
Ilan na kasama ni Kuya Chubby. Oy, ano ni Rome?
Amuha na Rome!
Amuha ni Rome. Pag-uwan ni Rome. Naamuha sa Facebook!
Mag-meeting kami mga boys.
Ayan na kamo.
Uy, sige.
Uy, nasa kong bahawa ko sila itong mga bayo kaya mag-pre-meeting pa mga boys.
Di mo? Kamuhin nyo ang...
Hoy, ikagabi, kahion mo ay mong pangamang rin ha.
Hoy, yun yung abutan
Hoy, ay mong pangamang rin. Hoy,
Hoy!
Wala sa may TV.
Wala ko yung TV.
TV!
Siluit! Ay, duha ko! Hoy!
Hoy, wait siya!
Oh, sige. Way, saog. Mabota ito na.
Hold on, wait siya!
Uy, ako!
Artista lang kayo! Hi, fans!
Kumo ninyo eh!
Siya rin yung pagpupunta.
Kumo ninyo eh! Big Father Ayan! Kasi luto-luto pa! Mau, isa kang pagkuhan mo, pag-iwa mo.
Di na mutok man si Kuan.
Maganda siya sa kasinot ka part sa ano kay mga barkada nga mabay kasi lagi mo prepare sa mga pagkaon and stuff. Na kami mga lalaki kami diri. Kuya ko kaya Chubby ah. Pwede na ka ma-regular diri kaya Chubs.
Part-time lagi, time kay mundang na biya ko.
So, init kayo. And what's the plan? Maligo ta. Ligo ta. 3, 2, 1.
Take over.
Ay, kasaba. Actors dyan. Vlog take over. Ang sama natin vlog natin.
Kabalo mo si John.
Ang sama.
Ay, si John.
Ang vlogger.
Dili kay vlog take over. Unsa may kasulti ni mga dyan? CJ foureyedlaagan.
Yes!
Ang fair, right? Tanong mo. Ikaw, best kasulti ni mga
English!
English? Alright.
Kani siya, nila interest ni foureyedlaagan.
Asa?
Yang name kay si Ivana.
Uy! Mag-ilis ako.
Just me. Ang say kasulti ni mga ni foureyedlaagan.
Lagan jud siya.
Laagan siya.
Kanang ambot lang ato niya.
Ikaw.
Siyang pagkalaagan ho, dyan kung siya nakita ta forever.
Kita cover mo vlog. Oy. Ang say kasulti.
Hi! Like and subscribe.
Except sa gamay siya notes.
No comment.
Uy, si foureyedlaagan patay na. Si CJ Estrada.
Fish and love. Share fish and love.
Share fish and love fish. Ganong fish siya pauso sa ni siya da. Bye. Uy, bye uy.
Bye.
Bye.
What's up guys? Welcome to my channel and
Excuse me, what is your channel?
Channel 7.
Oh, you are from GMA. I hate GMA. No video for me. I don't like GMA.
Why you don't like GMA?
Because I like BCBin.
BCBin?
Yeah,
What channel is that?
my channel.
Tagaasa mo. Wala. Kami ba na ako nigawas nila?
Di automatic.
One.
Butang ito.
No. Ibutang dito. 3. Ay, butang dito.
5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8.
Wala lang. Siya. 3.
4. Wala, babato. Wakapot.
Hey guys, what's up? Good evening. Time check. I don't have clock. It's already 12 a.m. in the morning and hello guys, good evening. I'm DJ RJ and here's my friend DJ Joyce.
What time is it? I don't have a clock.
I don't have a clock, sorry, I forgot the clock. Tonight or today, I don't know, but it's 12 a.m. Oh, okay. We're gonna tell you some story. We have a story that our friend Sir Don found something paranormal. He said that while he was in CR doing some masturbation, he found some. Oh, sorry for the word, but we'll say that ejaculation. Then he saw something scary. He saw a girl, a beautiful girl, with a long hair with blue boobs. She's scared, but with a mixed emotion of excitement because at that time he was doing something on himself. Kapuya ng bisyuha. Look. Our friend was choked by something unknown and unseen creature. What can you say about your choking?
No comment.
Balihan na ka na kuan na aba. Kita para kita ka siya now.
Sorry guys.
Ay, balik ang kamera.
Okay, we have a visitor here. Our guest for tonight. He is an expert about paranormal activity. Okay, let's have some words from Dr. Ian Morelio.
Vlog money. This is not normal. I can sense the. What is that? What is that sound? The ghost is of Korean descent. Oh my God! What is that? There's another there. Oh look! Okay, yun na po yun. Back to you, chaps!
Hey, welcome back again to my channel. That's all. Just like and subscribe. Share, peace, and love.